Now, with God's grace, all of us, we work very hard to make some money, and we always wonder that which is the best possible investment for our surplus money. So, let us evaluate today 5 asset classes. Okay. Now, 5 asset classes. The first one being FD, or popularly known as fixed deposit. 2, gold. 3, equities. 4, mutual funds. And 5, property. Let us evaluate the risk and return of all 5 of them, and then decide if we have 100 rupees surplus with us, how much of that 100 rupees should go to FD, how much of it should be gold, how much to equities, how much to mutual funds, and finally how much to property. So let's look at returns. Okay. Now, we are not assigning numbers here because our decisions are based on number of years that we want to put money into, the actual quantum of money itself, and since all of us have a different risk perception and a different return expectation, so we'll just rank them rather than assigning numbers. So, in case of FD, usually the returns are low. As we have seen in our previous videos that FDs don't even beat inflation and taxes, so usually the returns are very low. As against that, the risks are also very low. It goes with the grain, low risk, low return. If we talk of gold, gold is not actually an investment. It is only a store of value. So what gold can give you at best, eliminating the market timing, is that gold will stay at par with your currency and you will not lose out on inflation. So again, returns are low and risks are low, because gold prices do not fluctuate often, and if you look at a longer term horizon, they follow a linear pattern. If you look at equities, equities give high return. If equities give high return, they also carry high risk. If you do not understand how share market functions and what are the factors which are to be considered before buying a company's shares, you can look at other videos called Analyzing the Financial Statements. They will help you to concretely decide how to buy a share of a company and what factors to consider. Let's talk about mutual fund. Typically, mutual fund give high return, but the risk perception is moderate or low. Now here, the idea is that if we talk of mutual funds are usually the derivatives of equity. Just because we don't know how to invest in equity ourselves, we may appoint an expert collectively. We have a video called What are Mutual Funds, and you can have a look at it, to help us get the best of returns and yet, because of his expert advice, minimize the risk. Let's look at property. If you look at property, in the long term, property will give you high returns, and again, the risk in property is low. Now you may say how the risk is low. Simply because property, or real estate as we call it, is a market, is very, very slow. So you see, if the growth happens in the property prices, they are also cyclical, fluctuating, but the cycles are pretty long. So typically when you ask an expert whether should I get into property and how long should I invest in a property, any typical expert would dish out a standard advice that minimum you have to stay into a property for 7 long years. Only then it makes sense. So basically what happens is that property returns could be equated with the returns on equity, however, only in the longer run. And more so because equities we are tempted to sell because we can see the prices every day and the market is highly liquid. That's not so in the case of property. And that is why people hold on to property for a longer period of time and they realize very good yields. So friends, this is a objective risk return analysis of various asset classes. For structuring your personal portfolio, we may look at other videos available, and since the structuring of portfolio is individually different for all of us, we need to sit one-on-one and do that exercise. However, if you ask me a standard answer, I would say that each portfolio construction is dependent on 3 primary parameters, that is investment objectives, risk appetite and time horizon. So with this, I hope this video helps you to choose your asset class carefully.